Yeah, just change your name to the answer. Oh, I am recording it. So go ahead and change your name to the answer when you factored that completely. No, I can't. So no, you know what? I'm gonna hold on. I know I'm changing my mind and I'm messing y'all up. So the whole thing is, I'm recording this, but I can't have your faces on it. That's why I had you turn off your. Because see, we're not allowed to post any student faces on anything. So turn your camera off right now, just right now. And put your answer as the your name. And then we'll turn the cameras back on later because I actually like seeing your faces. Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
Hey, calm down. No, calm. Thank you.
So, y'all, I told you this class is going to be a little shorter than the last class. Those of you that have answers up here right now, good job.
What is that?
Those are the answers. Good job. Now look, I understand you could just be sitting there waiting for somebody to put the answer and then copy their answer, but you're taking a chance that might be wrong. Which are all pretty smart, so you know it's going to be right. I'm going to go ahead and go through this whole process of how to factor by how to factor this thing, and then I'm going to actually show you what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing so that we can move on. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is how we do this work. First of all, take the leading coefficient. Thank you very much. Take the leading coefficient, ladies and gentlemen, and multiply it by this last number. So what is 4 times a negative 15?
Negative 60.
Very good. Negative 60. So if I have negative 60, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to do is I want to find numbers that will multiply to negative 60. Go ahead and give me pairs. Let's start with Shelby. Give me 2 numbers that will multiply to negative 60.
She there?
Or, if she's not there, Alexa, give me 2 numbers that will multiply to negative 60.
Negative 10 and 6.
Very good.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Negative 10 and 6. That works. All right. Give me some more numbers. Josh.
Oh, that's what I forgot. Negative 160.
Negative 1 and 60. All right. And you know what I'm going to do? Actually, I'm gonna stop right there. I'm actually not going to put the negative yet. That makes sense because I heard Alexa. Wait. But you know what? I'm not going to put the negative.
Yeah.
In. Give me another pair.
Okay. 2 and 30.
12.
13 is, yeah, I said Joel.
5 and 12?
30, yes.
What else?
5 and 12.
There's one with 4.
4 and 15.
4 and 15.
4 and 15, yeah.
And there's one with 3.
3.
20. 3 and 20.
20, yeah.
Okay. So these are ones that we can multiply to give us 60. Now, I want to know which pair of these numbers are 4 apart.
10 and 6.
10 and 6. And I will tell you right now, for the most part, the first one is always probably going to be the first one that y'all think of. Sorry. Thank you. The first one is probably the one that we're gonna get. Hold on, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. I gotta accept. He's not in the room yet.
Who's not?
Oh, okay. I'll get him. He'll be here. So, yeah, these are 4 apart. The thing is, this is a positive 4. So which one of these is going to be positive, the 10 or the 6?
The 10.
10 will be positive. Okay, so we're going to write this. We're going to say 10, and we're going to write 6, and we're going to divide 10 by
4.
we're going to put 4x.
4x.
And then we're going to put 6 over 4x as well. And for those of y'all wondering why, it's because the leading coefficient is a 4. So we're going to do it like this. And it's really not dividing it. It's just a way to set this thing up, because what number can I simplify 10 and 4 by?
2.
2.
2.
2 divided into 10 is?
5.
5.
And 2
And
goes
2.
into 4 how many times?
2 times.
All right, let's do the same thing here. 6 2 divided by 6 divided by 2 is
3.
3x. Oh no, 3x, sorry. Just 3. And what is 4 divided by 2?
2.
2.
Yeah, it's 2, right? So oops. There you go. That's going to be 2x. So look, we're going to write 2 plus 5, 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 3. And I already made a bad mistake. What is it? What mistake did I make?
One's supposed to be a
Negative.
Which one is supposed to be negative?
6.
The 6. Because 10 has to be
Yeah.
positive because that's plus. So that means a 3 is negative. So let me change that. I'm sorry. If I'm making a mistake, y'all stop me, because Mr. Ananda's not here to catch my mistake. So
Okay.
all right, there you go. So there you have your answer. Now, some of y'all are probably like, okay, well, we reviewed this for an hour and a half this morning. Why are we doing it again? Well, here's why we're doing it again. Because next week's problems, and what I'm doing is I'm setting you up for next week. Next week's problems are not going to say factor this thing. Next week's problems are actually going to look like this. And let me clear this. Next week's problems are not going to say factor. Next week's problems are going to say solve 4x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. They want you to solve that. Okay? Now,
Miss Martinez,
yes, sir.
my computer's not working, so I'm just gonna stay here with Joshua.
No problem. No problem. Okay? No problem. Y'all will get credit for that today.
Okay.
So next week's problems are going to say solve this equation. Okay. So what we're going to have to do to solve this, we first have to factor it. So 2x minus 3, 2x plus 5.
Plus 5.
Okay. And then we're going to have to take both of these, 2x minus 3, set it equal to 0. And we're going to have to take the 2x plus 5, and we're going to have to set that equal to 0. And we're going to have to solve these equations. So, Dominic, solve this one for me. What do we do first to get x by itself? You remember?
I forgot.
All right.
Isn't it 3?
You're at 3.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Add
Alexa?
3 to both. You add 3 to both sides.
Add 3 to both sides. So that's going to cancel out.
I couldn't find a list called both sides. Should I create one?
Alexa,
Get out of here. I'm leaving your class.
I'm just going to call you Lex. No, I'm not going to call you Lexi. I have to call you something else.
Doesn't it call you Lexi? Get wrecked.
I'm leaving your class. If you
I'm
have
gonna call
that thing with us, I'm leaving.
I'm going to call you Palma.
Alexa.
All right.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad memories.
Palm
Sorry.
tree.
Hey, I'm adding 3 to both sides, and then I'm going to divide by 2. And so my final answer here is going to be x equals 3 over 2. Now let's do this one. Jessica, can you help me? What do I do first?
You're gonna do -5 on each side.
Very good. She didn't fall for the trap. See, here we added 3 because it was -3 here. She said, oh, look, it's +5, so I'm going to -5. Good job. So I asked her because I figured she wouldn't fall for that trap. What is 0 minus 5? Anybody?
-5.
5.
Mm-hmm. And then, what am I doing to both sides?
QX.
Dividing by
Dividing by
You divide by 2.
dividing by,
Dividing by
dividing them by 2.
Very good.
There you go.
So this x is going to equal -5 over 2. This is what y'all are doing tomorrow.
Okay, that's
Okay.
Well, I'm not next week. I'm sorry. Now,
Can y'all hear me?
I was about to say.
just real quick, does anybody know what 3 over 2 equals?
What?
No.
0.6.
1.5.
0. Point like
Hey,
Oh,
1.5.
I was smart.
And what
oh
about
yeah, because if you just do the 2 and then okay, yeah, okay.
yeah.
what about -5 over 2? What does that equal?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, 2.5.
Negative 2.5.
Negative 2.5.
Well, yeah, we know it's negative,
I'm
but
first.
you're trying to say it fast.
Hey, y'all want to see why this is the answer and this is the answer? Because, check it out. I'm going to go to my handy dandy calculator. I put 2 calculators on here for you. One of them is just a regular calculator where you do just adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing. Okay? That's this calculator right here. I'm sorry, I have to.
Hello.
What's up, Joel?
Oh, there you go. You can hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Now, we're not gonna do it here. When y'all do this assignment, you want to start using this new link I put up for y'all. This graphing calculator. This graphing calculator, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna help you with these problems. Check it out. Right here, I'm gonna write. Let me see. I think. Let me put x squared. Oh, it was 4x squared, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's plus 4x minus 15. You see what kind of graph I get? It's one of these graphs. It's called a parabola. Okay? Check it out. Guess where this parabola crosses the x-axis is here.
It's
1.5.
1.5 and
1.5 and
-2.5.
-2.5. Hacks.
And that's what we solved for, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you, you could just graph it and get the answer. But one of the things that you're going to be asked to do next year and the year after is, sorry, you're going to be asked to solve these things like this. I'm going to show you factoring solving, and then I'm going to show you another way next week where we're going to use what's called the quadratic formula to solve this. So just want to give you a heads up. Okay.
Okay.
Having said that, let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and turn on your cameras.
Okay. Where's my camera?
Update on
Oh,
my
here it is.
sandwich. As Mr. Martinez was talking, I finished it all.
What's a sandwich?
So, yo, what I want y'all to do is by tonight, all your assignments have to be done.
Okay.
Josh, you were saying something about the CFU?
Oh yeah.
Jessica, dude.
And, I got all of them wrong too.
Oh, okay. So today, I'm just gonna remind y'all. And again, we're not gonna go.
Uh-huh.
We're not gonna go through the whole thing because that's not what this meeting's all about today. Can y'all see the this page here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Google Classroom. Everything that says assignment is what's due today. So if you hadn't worked on them, please work on them today. I'm going to give y'all time today. Matter of fact, class started at 12:30. I'm letting you go at 1 o'clock today. So from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or actually, yeah, from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, I'm gonna be online. If you have any questions, we'll share screens. We'll do whatever we got to do. Let me see where I'm at. So I will be in here. I'll be in this math room till 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, I'm gonna change what classroom I'm in. I'm gonna go to this one class. I gotta put it on here for y'all. It's gonna be it's gonna say Falcon Nest Time. Let me just do it. Oh no, I gotta do it. All right. So this
Simps.
All these simpletons.
I will be in here until 2 o'clock, but I'm gonna be in this room at 2 o'clock to 3 if you need any help. If you don't need any help, you don't have to go into the rooms. You don't even have to exit this room if you don't want to, but I will be here
Yeah.
if you have any questions.
I don't got my phone.
Does anybody have any questions right now?
Nah.
Who's this new person that just joined?
Shelby, I think. No, it's not. No.
Is it Raekwon?
Who?
Angel.
Okay, I need to go watch the Todoroki episode. I'm just kidding. I'll do my work first, and then I'll go watch the Todoroki episode. It's just that Mr. Martinez, Endeavor is about to get his butt beat, and then I'm gonna be like, "Woo, go Endeavor!" And then he's gonna see Dobby, and then Dobby's gonna be like, "What's up, Engie?" And I'm like, "Oh my God, that's your son, but you don't know it's your son." And then in the manga, Hoss is about to die, so it's fine. But it's
My computer
fine.
is freezing.
I like how he's still recording though. They just have all this. He's gonna show this to them, and they're gonna be like,
It's like, what's wrong with these kids?
I'm gonna be like, these
So
are the
how's your thing? Your breaks?
Mine's
Break?
boring. Like, really boring. But I have animals, though. Right. Right.
"Yeah, my animals don't like me."
Yeah,
Mhm.
mine's are right here, and then I have the music playing in the background.
Oh, no.
I don't like this kind of break.
I want
I'm
another
starting to draw a
sandwich.
little more, though.
Can one of y'all go and give me something more sandwiches from Subway?
I'm broke. My mom said she'll pay me if I watch my brothers.
Shelby, stop harassing me.